Alright, so it's a new morning and we're gonna go try to find some breakfast again. But it seems like Chloe's favorite thing to do is to pass out drinks.
Here comes you.
Thank you.
Here comes you, big lady.
What'd you call me?
Big lady. What did you call Molly?
Big lady.
Big lady.
I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Oh, thank you. There's a nice little porch to sit on at our hotel and to kind of watch traffic go by. But this morning we're gonna go get some breakfast and then hopefully find another boat and go on another tour. So traditional Filipino breakfast is rice and meat, which is also traditional lunch and traditional dinner. So Alexa really wants some pancakes, so we'll see if we can find some, but we'll probably be stuck with rice today. So crossing the street is an adventure in and of itself. You basically just have to take a leap of faith and take a step out, and eventually they will stop. Basically the rule is they don't want to hit you as much as you don't want to get hit, so as long as you step out, they'll stop. What are you gonna get, Alexa?
A waffle.
Waffle. Whoa. Wow. Good job. It's currently raining, but we're gonna try and go ahead and take a boat tour anyways. The thing about the rain here is it comes and goes really quickly. However, it's been raining all day long and hasn't stopped. But we are hopeful it will stop for us, but we'll go ahead and hop on a boat and see what can happen. But first we're gonna stop at the market and get some food because we'll find a little island and the boat captain will cook us up some lunch while we're on the island. It's a pig! Should we bring him on the boat with us?
No.
We could cook him and eat him.
No.
It's so sad.
Chloe, what do you think? We got some rice, some mangoes, pineapples, charcoal for the fire, carrots and potatoes.
Ready to go?
This guy's helping us with our groceries here. Do you know where we're going? Barracuda Lake. Can I help you get on? So I didn't tell Heather this, but we are headed to Barracuda Lake, and we are definitely swimming with barracudas. But I've heard, and we were just told that they swim lower than we will swim, so it should be okay.
Done tonight. It's a mystery that we never took a chance before.
You're doing good.
I'm looking at you and you're looking at me. All of a sudden it rains over me. All we ever wanted was crossing our ways tonight.
Good job, girls. Especially mommy.
This is amazing. So warm.
Alexa, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Chloe, do you like it? Yeah.
Just can't hold it back no more.
I wish I could fit in there.
Like that's too big.
Yeah, you have the best spot.
Now if you come running, I'll be waiting on the other
Alexa, you're swimming all by yourself, buddy.
Please just have in mind it will only last for a while.
I dreamed of this.
When you echo me back, we're coming to terms that it's all we can do. Oh, 'cause all we ever wanted was changing our lives tonight. I found you in the mist, got poisoned by your kiss. I've waited all this night for.
So to get to this lagoon that we were going to, we had to climb these very interesting stairs to get there. It was pretty crazy. It freaked me out a little bit. I'm glad that it's over, but it was worth it. It was awesome. We had so much fun. The water in there was incredibly clear and warm, and the rocks were so beautiful. It was just amazing.
I swam back the whole way by myself. I got swim by myself.
All right, so Barracuda Lake was awesome, and now we're headed to a little beach to have some lunch and to play in the sand.
This moment to arrive. Just can't hold it back no more.
So as they drive the boat along, they're actually cooking us lunch here. There's a charcoal grill that they actually cook on while they're driving. So they're cooking us some lunch as we're headed to the next beach.
Waiting all this night for.
It's a D and an A and a height.
What does that stand for?
Daddy and Alexa.
Just can't hold it back no more. Waiting all this night for. Just can't hold it back. This moment to arrive. Just can't.
Got some fresh mango and some pineapple.
I have a sandwich. Yeah.
Yummy. Mhm.
Waiting all this night for. This moment to arrive. Just can't hold it back no more.
I think we're gonna go back on the boat now and go on to the next spot. So I was told the reason I had trouble yesterday was because of magnetic interference. We're gonna go ahead and give it another shot here and hope for the best. I'm a little nervous, but
Don't get too excited.
don't get too excited. Alexa says don't get too excited.
Waiting all this night for. This moment to arrive. Just can't hold it back no more. This moment to
Whew. Well, we had a fun day today. Got to do a lot of different things, and I think we're gonna wrap it up for the day and head back. But Coron has to be one of the most beautiful places we've ever been, specifically Twin Lagoon. I'm so pumped that I got to fly over it. But all in all, it was a pretty good day.
hot springs. We're really excited. We don't know exactly what we're gonna find, but I'm guessing it's gonna be amazing.
We're driving through the jungle.
So it's about a 25-30 minute ride to the hot springs, but it's worth it just for the experience of the ride. The terrain changes quite a lot. We're in the jungle right now, kind of going through. These are tricycles, but they're basically glorified sidecars for motorcycle. They build them up and kind of customize them around the motorcycle, and it's the main mode of transportation around Coron.
So Chloe fell asleep on our tricycle ride here. So we're just gonna let her rest for a little while. And Bradey and Alexa are gonna enjoy the hot springs.
You got your feet in.
Yeah, my feet are enjoying them.
That counts.